students. In this session, I will explain you landforms of Andhra Pradesh. Land forms of Andhra Pradesh. Sixth class, third lesson. Landforms of Andhra Pradesh. See, this is Andhra Pradesh map. This is east, west, north, south. East, west, north, south. Bay of Bengal. Here Telangana. Telangana bifurcated in the year of 2014. Now in Andhra Pradesh, how many districts we have? 13 districts. Okay, here Tamil Nadu. Here Karnataka. Okay, now? So here Odisha. These are the boundaries surrounded by Andhra Pradesh. This is Srikakulam. Okay, na? Here Rayalaseema districts are located. Kurnool, Anantapur, Kadapa, Chittoor. Okay, na? See, landforms of Andhra Pradesh. See, if we talk about landforms, if you go anywhere in Andhra Pradesh, all over India, landforms are same? No. Different kinds of landforms are presented. Somewhere else land is flat. Somewhere else land is plain. Somewhere else we may find deep valleys, deep stretches. Okay, now big mountains. Then somewhere else we may found rivers. Altogether, these are all relief features. Okay, now do you understand? These different kinds of relief features we can observe. Okay, now? So, landforms. Generally, a country contains three main kinds of landforms. What are they? Number one, mountains. Two, plateaus. Three, plains. Mountains, plateaus, plains. These are the relief features of a place. Then rivers, okay. Then canals, these are also comes under relief features. Deserts, these are all comes under relief features. Now we are talking about Andhra Pradesh landforms. Okay, now. Then if you see mountains, mountains are highest areas. Okay, na? Highest peaks are located here in mountain ranges. Then, so these areas contains steep slopes. Which areas contains steep slopes? Mountain ranges. So that habitation is not possible in the mountain ranges. Long chain of mountains are existed in that mountain ranges. Okay, now it is not possible to build any kind of houses where in mountain ranges area. In Andhra Pradesh, if you see Karnoolu, Kadapa, Chitturu, then Srikakulam. Where Karnoolu, Kadapa, Chitturu, Srikakulam, mainly these kind of mountain ranges existed. Nallamala Hills, Palakondalu, Velikondalu, Sheshachalam Hills, these are all existed in Andhra Pradesh. Okay na? So in Chittoor, Sheshachalam Hills are located. So Lord Venkateswara also, where Lord Venkateswara temple is located. Lord Venkateswara temple is located in the hills of Sheshachalam. Do you understand? Those are all hills. Then such a way these districts contains mountain ranges. Habitation is possible? No. Habitation is not possible in mountain ranges. Here temperatures are different. Okay na? Temperatures are little bit low in mountain ranges. Why? If you go upper areas, automatically temperatures may drop. Temperatures drops. Do you understand? That is a scientific theorem. Okay na? For example, if you go especially Madanapalli, in that Madanapalli area, cool temperatures are presented. Why? Madanapalli located in hilly area. That's why cool temperatures are presented. If you go Sheshachalam Hills area, Tirupati, temperatures are okay, little bit low when compared to other areas. Okay, then come to the plateau. So plateaus are highlands, stretches of long distances. These are all highland stretches of long distance. Okay na? So that is plateau. Plateaus are highlands. Top part contains flat area. Okay na? Plateaus are highlands. Top of these plateau area, okay na? Then somewhat, so plateau, that means habitable conditions presented. Do you understand? Here our point is plateaus are highlands. When compared to mountains, these plateaus are not as much as high hills or mountains. Do you understand? Okay na? So for example, in Andhra Pradesh, especially this Karnoolu, especially western part, okay, contains plateau regions. Okay, especially Telangana also existed in plateau area. Hyderabad, Secunderabad, these two twin cities existed in plateau region. So that is highlands. Hyderabad, Secunderabad, habitations, that means people are living or not? Peoples are living, but height is, when compared to plain area, height is more. Which one? Plateau area. Do you understand? Agricultural practices are very less in plateau regions. Do you understand? Agriculture activities are less when compared to plain areas. Where plateau regions. Do you understand? Where plateau region existed in Andhra Pradesh, in western Andhra, plateau region existed. Okay na? So this is about plateaus. Plateaus are highlands. Okay na? So next, these plateaus also called as tablelands. Plateaus also called as tablelands. So next one, plains. Plains are generally large stretches of almost flat area. Large stretches of almost flat area is called as plains. Okay, habitations are possible. More habitations we are seeing in plain areas. If you see Andhra Pradesh from Srikakulam to Tamil Nadu, plain areas are existed. Beautiful plain areas are existed. So the people who are living in these plain areas, they are their occupation is agriculture. They are practicing agricultural activities. They are practicing agricultural activities. Do you understand? Such a way, these mountains, plateaus, plains are very important relief features of any type of country, any type of district. Okay, na?